Do you want to start up your own small business but don't know where to start? Hi, my name's David Lee and I've been working in small businesses now for over 20 years. I've also helped many small business owners get their business up and running, successful and profitable. Is that what you're looking to do? But can I ask you something before we go much further? What's brought you to this site? Is it because you're working at the moment but the job's not secure and you've thought about starting your own small business? Or perhaps you're unemployed. You've tried many times for a job. You're overqualified. There's not enough jobs around. And rather than retirement, because you're not ready for it, you're thinking starting a business would be a better alternative than staying unemployed. Or perhaps you've left college or university and you've got the theory but not the practical, and you need to have the two going hand in hand. Whatever it is, I can help you because I've been there, I've done that, I've known exactly what to do to get a small business up and running. Can I suggest, just go to the side here, put your name and email address in, and I will send you, starting today, the 5-part video training series that I've done called The 5 Big Reasons That Most Small Businesses Fail and What You Can Do to Avoid Them. Okay, it will give you lots of information that will help you get started. What else you can do? Just look above here. There's a link to a blog and you can have a look at all the tips that I've put on video, advice that I can give you about anything that you need to know about starting a small business, how to get it started, what to do. If you'd prefer, just go below there. There's an RSS feed. You can get the podcast sent straight to you whenever they're updated. So that's an alternative. And lastly, go and have a look underneath there at the people that I've helped just recently. They could be plumbers, electricians, people in internet marketing or property trading. I've got much experience behind me and I can help you too. But before we go, just put your name and email address and get registered for the video training, and I'll see you again very soon. And by the way, I do run live events, live weekend training for small business owners every so often. So if you're registered, I'll be able to let you know when the next one's coming along so that you can attend, and it will be merely for the cost of a book that I've got, but it will help you know and get started and get your business up and running and being successful. So thank you very much. My name's David Lee. I'll speak to you very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.